Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So the market is consolidating, Bitcoin is consolidating, and altcoins are still pumping because altcoins love to pump when Bitcoin is consolidating. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and from the CryptoMinds Global movement. I am bringing you today the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated about crypto. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so be sure that you smash those like, and let's go and check out our favorite bubble chart. But before that, I should state that nothing in this video is a financial advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, as we see, Bitcoin is up 0.6 and traded about 37,000 US dollar. Ethereum is up almost 1% and still trading about 2,000 US dollar levels. Broke these levels last week and still holding fine. And as we see, a few altcoins are correcting, like Frax and CRO, but most of the altcoins are running, especially layer 1 blockchains like Avalanche and Matic. So Matic is a layer 2, but Filecoin and Phantom as well, and Rune Thorchain pumping like a hell, and also Algorand is a layer 1 blockchain doing really great. I see that pools and hacks now dropping, but before that they are pumped in the past few weeks. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear at green index. It is at 73, so we are deeply in the greed zone, so investor sentiment is much better now. So let's see our first news. Pre-ETF BTC price crash or 150,000 in 2025. Bitcoin forecasts diverge. Okay, also Peter Schiff, the gold bag, is talking here. So Schiff bets on a BTC price crash before ETF launches. So why? Let's see. Based on the results, my guess is that Bitcoin crashes before the ETF launch. That's why the people who bought the rumor won't actually profit if they wait for the fact to sell. So we expect that Bitcoin will crash before the ETF launch. I don't think so, but we'll see. Aliens Bernstein Bitcoin ETF getting slowly priced in. So believe early flows could be slower and build up could be more gradual, and post-halving is when ETF flows momentum could build, leading to a cycle peak in 2025 and not 2024. The current BTC breakout is just simple ETF approval news getting slowly priced in, and then the market monitors the initial outflows and likely gets disappointed in the short run. So that could be even by the rumor, sell the news event when the ETF will be launched, then the price will drop, but I don't think that will be huge drop. Bitcoin long-term cycles on a logarithmic chart now includes our price projections. So we see these are the halvings, and now we will enter the fourth halving next year, April. This is a logarithmic chart, and we see the reds are the bear markets, yellow is the consolidation, and green and blue is where the price going parabolic, but still we can have 30% drops as we've seen in the past, even during bull markets. So guys, let's go and check out our next news. BlackRock enters spot Ethereum ETF plan is confirmed after Nasdaq filing. So earlier in the day, BlackRock registered its iShares Ethereum Trust in Delaware, the first hint that a filing for a spot Ether ETF was imminent. So guys, they created this iShares Delaware Trust, and this is establishing the fundamentals for the Ethereum ETF, and they will find it very soon if everything's going right. So they just submitted a filing with Nasdaq. So they filed it with Nasdaq. Okay, cool. So guys, there are 5 other live spot ETF Ethereum filings that I'm aware of: OneEck, ARK Invest, Hashdex, and Invesco Galaxy Digital. So guys, 5 spot Ethereum filings already. Next piece of news is BlackRock argues SEC has no grounds to trade crypto futures and spot ETF differently. So this is why the Grayscale won the case against the SEC, because the judge said that that can be no difference between the if future ETFs allowed, then spot ETFs should allowed as well. So BlackRock argued this, that the SEC doesn't have any legitimate reason to trade spot crypto and crypto futures exchange traded fund applications differently. Given the Commission has approved ETFs that offer exposure to ETH futures, which themselves are priced based on the underlying spot Ethereum market, the sponsor believes that the Commission must also approve ETPs that offer exposure to spot Ethereum. They are talking about Ethereum, but the same is true for Bitcoin. Notably, none of these restrictions address on an ETF's underlying assets, whether Ethereum futures or spot Ethereum, or the markets from which such assets pricing is derived, whether the CME ETF futures market or the spot Ethereum markets. Okay, so guys, this is interesting. So BlackRock is pushing the SEC approve not just the Bitcoin spot ETFs, but Ethereum spot ETFs. And why this will be huge? Because ETFs are traded on a stock exchange, and also financial advisors will get access to promote it, and they will promote it to the masses, to retail clients, and that will be huge. Next piece of news is demand for Bitcoin could grow by up to 10x within 12 months, according to Michael Saylor. Okay, so Saylor initially gave a rundown on the period between 2020 and 2024, noting that Bitcoin went from being seen as an onshore unregulated asset to an institutionalized mainstream app. I think that this next 12 months is going to be a big, because demand or on a monthly basis should double or triple, or maybe go up by a factor of 10, anywhere from 2 to 10, and the supply available for sale will be cut in half in April with the halving. So instead of $1 billion of Bitcoin available for miners each month, it will be $500 million. It's pretty unprecedented that you would go from a supply and demand balance of maybe 15 billion of organic demand and 12 billion of organic supply. What happens when one doubles and the other cuts in half? The price is going just up, he added. Okay. Saylor also expects that to see a lot of competition among companies like Apple and Meta, Facebook, to get their hands on BTC to eventually sell for major profits. You are going to have ferocious competition and will among Wall Street to get the most assets share, and you are going to have crypto exchanges competing, and you are going to have other tech companies getting involved. That will be one check. So when it hits that terminal growth rate, maybe 20 years out, maybe 25 years, or it will be growing twice as fast as compounding, twice as fast as S&P 500 index or any other diversified high quality portfolio of assets you could buy. So if you think about it like that, you just say, well, now we are going to double, we are going to double again, we are going to double again, and we are going to double again and again. That coin is going to continue to progress to $1 million a coin, a 2 million, a 5 million, and a 10 million a coin. So MicroStrategy holds around 160,000 Bitcoin, and the firm was up around 900 900 million US dollar on its investment. Great profit. So guys, let's go and check out our next news. Some technical analysis. Crypto Analyst says Bitcoin flashing signal that previously sent BTC on 400% rally. So the analyst is Chats, and let's quote from him. Observation: BTC weekly RSI entering power zone 70 plus, also known as overbought. Overbought equals bullish. The last time this happened, the price around for 12,000 to 64,000. Thought the price context is different. It is worth observing. So when last time Bitcoin was in this 70 plus above the RSI weekly, Bitcoin went parabolic. Overbought means bullish. The only way to become overbought is to be bullish, and trends tend to continue. Most of BTC biggest price gains historically have come while overbought for what it's worth. So this is the same. This is the level when Bitcoin turned to overbought, and on October 2020, and then boom, from 12 to 16 to 64. Ethereum sideliners can use a break and hold at 2150 area as a long thesis. So a small break can come here and then continue to the upside for Ethereum. So guys, let me know in the comment section, can you believe that Bitcoin could go 4x from here, or what is your expectation? Next piece of news is the big question: will Bitcoin hit 100,000 by 2024? Spotlight on potential drivers. So what are the potential drivers? The main catalyst. So the first is a much anticipated legalization of spot exchange traded funds, which is a topic of widespread interest. So the SEC is just sitting on the applications, and someday, maybe 1 week from now, or maybe at January 10th, they should come out and say that okay, we approved. So Bitcoin is currently displaying a robust technical outlook with an overwhelming bullish sentiment. Trading one-day indicators give a buy rating for 15 indicators with moving averages signaling a strong buy for 13, while several indicators remain neutral. So indicators also flushing a buy zone. More accommodating stance by the Fed. So Fed can starting reducing the interest rates, cutting interest rates, and that would bring more liquidity to the markets. And also Bitcoin halving, as we talked about, that a game changer, that where the Bitcoin issuance will be cutted half, and this will come next year, April. Could the sought after 100,000 threshold become reality as the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve? Opportunities about for those ready to navigate the winds of change in this digital frontier. So guys, I think yes, in 2024 Bitcoin could reach 100,000. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? So guys, next and our last news today, that why is Solana price up this week? Solana price is up 40% this week due to easing FTX dump fears and growing Bitcoin ETF buzz. Why Solana USD technicals hint at more upside? So this is Solana chart, and it's really bullish and now entering these resistance levels, and if it breaks, then Solana can pump further. FTX dump fears fails to shake Solana bulls. Solana rise coincides with the daily selling of 250,000 to 750,000 sold tokens by FTX bankruptcy estate. So they are selling daily these amounts, and despite this selling pressure, Solana is pumping. Okay, Solana focused funds, one of the barometers to gauge institutional flows into Solana market, witnessed inflows. So Solana funds, yes, there is an inflow, weekly inflow, 10 million US dollar So okay, Bitcoin ETF Euphoria is here, and also maybe Ethereum ETF, and then Solana. Solana open interest pops alongside funding rate. So funding rate increases as open long position are well designed on Solana. As we see, these are the weighted funding rate, and this is much positive. Solana price technical breakout. So it broke out from this wedge and now reaching these next resistance levels. Ascending triangle bottom. Okay, also we do have these other levels, so should see how it can go through, and RSI is signaling that it's a little bit overbought. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS on Twitter. So at MIKLOS, also be sure that you are pushing this bell notification and follow Corion platform and laserpunk_gods, our upcoming NFT launchpad project. So this is what BlackRock Fidelity will cause to the market. Check this video, how institutions will entering the market. So I really like it. Check this out and see what will happen. So Ethereum to mimicking BTC 2019 move. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, and almost we can expect a huge breakout rally from here, and it can bring Bitcoin, let's see, also bring Ethereum to 5x. Chainlink is one of my best loved altcoin and Chainlink developer platform. You see this meta layer. So Chainlink is using a CCIP, and it's a kind of a modern way of the internet. So Chainlink is a modern internet, and I think Chainlink could be bigger than Ethereum, because Chainlink is connected between all the different blockchains, not just Ethereum ERC20. So altcoins market closed above major moving average. That it's usually a start of an altcoin bull market. So this moving average is the simple moving average 20, and this is on the weekly chart. Give a like and share all this important stuff. Great setup, Ethereum BTC. That was a long we entered last week. So guys, that's it on Twitter, and be sure that you can purchase a CorionX token on PancakeSwap. This is a decentralized exchange on a Binance Smart Chain, and after providing liquidity in CorionX BNB pair, creating a liquidity pool and putting CorionX and BNB 50-50 in the pool, then you will get a liquidity token, LP token, liquidity pool token, and you can look up your LP token and earn a juicy almost 50% APR. Don't use BUSD farms because that will be closed soon. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. Be sure that you are joining our Telegram channel. You find the link in the description. Follow me and our projects on Twitter, and see you.